In Chapter 2 of Fight Club by Chuck Palahniuk, the narrator's experience with various support groups is explored, notably highlighting his interactions with Bob and Marla Singer. The chapter begins with a poignant moment where the narrator recalls embracing Bob, a large man who has developed breasts due to hormone therapy, following the removal of his testicles due to cancer. Bob mistakenly believes the narrator attends the support group for the same reason, providing a sad yet somewhat humorous misunderstanding given the narrator's actual ailment, chronic insomnia. The narrator admits to finding solace and temporary relief from his insomnia through the emotional release provided by these support groups, despite not actually suffering from the conditions discussed within them. His journey into these groups began 2 years prior when a doctor, after diagnosing him with insomnia, suggested that seeing real pain at support groups could offer perspective on his own suffering. The narrator's quest for sleep leads him to a variety of meetings, one of which introduces him to Chloe, a terminally ill woman desperate for a final sexual encounter before her death. However, it is not until he meets Bob at the Remaining Men Together group, a support circle for men with testicular cancer, that the narrator finds a strange sort of catharsis, allowing him to cry and subsequently sleep. The introduction of Marla Singer disrupts the delicate balance the narrator has found. Marla, like the narrator, is a faker, attending various support groups under false pretenses. Their mutual recognition of each other's deceit threatens the narrator's ability to find release through these meetings. The chapter culminates in the narrator's determination to confront Marla and demand her departure from the groups. Viewing her presence as a contamination of the one genuine experience he feels he has left. Chapter 2 effectively sets the stage for the complex dynamics between the narrator, Bob, and Marla, while also introducing key themes of identity, pain, and the quest for emotional and physical healing. Through his interactions in the support groups, the narrator begins to confront his own sense of isolation and disconnection, encapsulated in his description of life as a copy of a copy of a copy, a reference to his struggle to find genuine human connection and authenticity in a disaffected world. So what did you think about this video? Please leave a comment down below and let me know what books you would like to see in the next video. Signing off, this has been another Bookly Crash Course.